Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Python. After installing Python, I'll show you how to add Python extension in VS Code and how to run a sample Hello World project in VS Code. Python is one of the most popular programming language. It can be used to build web applications. Python is easy to install and I'll show you a detailed steps on how to install. To begin, we'll download it from the official Python website. So let's get started. To start, open your favorite browser. For my case, I'm using Chrome. So after opening your browser, search for Python. Then the first link, welcome to Python. Then you can download. Downloading for Windows. I'm using Windows operating system. So this will download the latest version of Python, which is Python 3.11.2. Click here. I already downloaded, so it will just download the duplicate one. You go to your downloads, programs. Then you have your Python. Click here, Python. You click here, install now. Python is a very good language. It is easy to learn and even a beginner can easily get started. In this video, I'll also show you how to run a sample Hello World project. It will print Hello World in our console. So Python also can be used for web development, graphical user interface development, scientific and numeric software development, system administration. So it depends on what you want, you as a developer. Depends on what path you want to follow and learn Python. For me, I mostly use Python to build models, but Python has other frameworks like Django and Flask. These are the popular frameworks for building web application. So Django makes it easier to build the better web apps more quickly and with less code. So this is just a framework for Python, but Python is the core language that you need to know. So our setup is almost done. It is installing Python version 3.11.2. So this is the version that will run on our machine. Okay. Also, as mentioned earlier, that we have Flask. Flask is another framework for Python. But first, let's run this application Python. Then we shall run a sample Hello World project in VS Code. So I should give it a few more minutes and it will be done. Setup progress. Also, Python has a good community. If you have any issues with Python, you can easily go to the community and troubleshoot or debug your projects, and you can easily find the right or correct answer. Okay, setup was successful. So it has now finished. Now that you have finished installing Python, you can come to your desktop or any of your file system or your PC and create a new project. We're just calling this project test because it's going to help us test that if Python has been installed. can open with show more options, open with code. So it will open with VS Code. I've already installed VS Code in my machine. If you do not know how to install VS Code, you can go to my YouTube channel. You can find some helpful videos. Then you are going to create a sample app.py project, app.py. So you're using the .py extension. So you're just printing hello world, print hello. So to run this project, come into terminal and git bash. I'm running using git bash. If you also do not know how to integrate git bash with VS Code, I have a video on my channel. Then to run this project, you can just run python app.py. You can see our project has run successful. So this is just a simple video. I wanted to show you guys how to install Python. The next videos I will show you how to run a project. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.